Ready?
Yeah.
So, okay guys, today I got these satisfying toys. Let's do an interview.
Ready.
Okay, so I got these sushi. They're called sensory sushi. So we got a squishy one, a gooey squishy one. Next one is a foam one. Not the one you use in the bathtub to stay there for 24 hours with, but the one you could, the foamy ones, the fluffy foam.
Yes, fluffy.
And then this crunchy one. Listen. Satisfying, you white. Okay, now we got these Fidget spinners. I mean, quizzes. So here we got some Fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. And this one looks a little bit rusty on the inside. See, it doesn't spin as fast as the last one. So these are...
You guys can see those differences too.
So these are pretty cool. Now,
See the rest right there?
we got these Squeezamos. We got these Squeezamos right here. I chewed on the tag a little bit on this one side. So you can squish them, and I think they are scented, but I can't tell. Next we got these. Next we got this sensory one.
This is scented too.
Next we got this maze. Oh, wait. I think it's this. Okay, next we got this maze with this. Next we got this. Watch it.
And you guys can see that has a little ripped too. Yeah, like little
This
right
one
there.
must have been the Walmart for like 5 years.
5 years? No, there's no way it could have been.
This.
Yeah. So what are you doing? We're literally recording right now. What?
So next we got this thing.
Ah,
See the sticky ball?
take this. Oh, there's a sticky ball. Now, where'd the sticky ball go?
See, it lights up. Never cut it open and then make the settings too super bright, or else, wobble like a different idea. I tried that once.
Oh, wait, you did? The Lego? Bro, did you just steal my Legos again?
Okay, so we also got
Wait, no, we're not moving on until you tell me about the Legos.
balls. We got this. So these are the balls. And these are pretty cool. So this is my fidget interview. So how do you like it? Rate it 1 to a billion. Okay.
Yeah.
So next time, don't be such a poopy pants.
What? No, you're not calling.
Anio, hello.
Hello.
Bye.
But you're not calling me poopy pants?
Okay.
Oh, you. Yeah.